We all know motion is relative. A motion of object can't be described without any frame of reference. We always need a frame to describe the motion. Let us consider two objects A and B. Suppose A is moving with constant velocity VA and B is moving with constant velocity VB. These speeds are corresponding to the ground. Here ground is one frame of reference. If we want to find the speed of ball B with respect to ball A, means we are observing from frame of reference of A, then VBA, that is velocity of B with respect to A, is given as VB minus VA according to Galilean transformation. This is classical relativity. But things changes when objects move with velocity comparable to the speed of light. And here this theory of classical relativity fails and we need a different kind of theory. Albert Einstein developed the special theory of relativity to describe the motion at speed comparable to the speed of light. So in this video we are going to understand the postulates on which special theory of relativity depends. First thing we need to know is that this special theory of relativity is only valid for inertial frames. Now, what are inertial frames? Inertial frames are those which have zero net force acting on them, means they are non-accelerated frames. That means either they are stationary or moving with the constant velocity. So, the two frames are said to be inertial with respect to each other if they move with constant velocity or they are rest with respect to each other. The special theory of relativity originates from the analysis of Maxwell electrodynamics and based on the following postulates. Let's first understand what are postulates. Postulates are those statements which are considered to be correct. They have only experimental verification. No theoretical proof is needed. Now let's discuss postulates on which special theory of relativity depends. Postulate number 1. All inertial frame of reference are equivalent. That is, all laws of physics must be invariant with respect to all inertial frames. Which means if one observes law from one frame, then that law also be same from reference of other frame. More specifically, value of physical quantity can be different but the laws will be same with respect to all inertial frame of references. For example, conservation of momentum is valid for all frames but value of momentum can be different in different frames. Similarly with energy. In electrodynamics, we have seen that Maxwell equations have same type of solution moving with speed of light in all inertial frame. This leads to our second postulate that is named as invariance of speed of light, which states that the speed of light in vacuum doesn't change if we change our frame of reference. It will always remain same. Direction of light can be different in both frames, but magnitude of velocity will always be same. This postulate is only applicable in vacuum. If light travels in a medium, then speed of light will be different with respect to different frame of reference. So, there are two postulates on which special theory of relativity based on, and that's all for this video. More videos on special theory of relativity will be uploaded soon. Hope you like this video. If you have watched this video till here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay updated. See you guys in the next video.